how to leave a review on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on eBay. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to leave a review on eBay, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, go to the ebay.com website and then sign into your account basically. And once you've done all the steps, all you need to do in order to leave a review, you must have already purchased that product and then have become a verified buyer. Because if you're not a buyer for that product, ultimately you will not be able to review that specific product. This is simply the rules of eBay or any other e-commerce website. Now once you've done so, just click on the My eBay icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called Purchase History. Just go to Purchase History, and once you go to Purchase History, over here you can see all of the purchases, right? Now if you want to leave a review, just go to the products that has already been shipped. So you'll find the shipped tag over here. Just click on the shipped tag, and then you can actually also choose to filter them. Now currently I have not yet shipped anything, so I'm not being able to see the option. But if your product has already been delivered to you before, and now that you want to actually leave a review, you will find these products on this list, and then you'll find the review button right next to it, where you can actually give a star rating and also write something about the product. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.